my dear children. Good morning to all. How are you all? Are you all reading the textbook? Okay. So last class we were dealing with our second chapter, the desert region. And we said what is a desert? Then what are the specialities of deserts? Then we were saying about other than this desert. So many deserts name also we mentioned. Sahara desert, Atacama desert, Mexican desert and all. Other than that, two other deserts were there. Temperate deserts and polar deserts. And we were saying about the speciality of that one. After that in the class I was discussing about the formation of deserts. So today we are moving with the climate of the desert. So no need of giving any explanation about the plant life, animal life, then climate of the desert. We all know that. What are the specialities of desert? All of you just take your textbook with you and we have to take one pen also with you. So when we go with the climate, what we can say? The climate, extreme climate will be going on in the desert area. A little or no rainfall will be there. Little or no rainfall will be there in the desert. And also during the summer season, summer season it will be very hot, and winter season it will be very cold. And during the summer season the temperature will be 50 degree. 50 degree, and while it is cold it will be 0 degree. If it is cold it is 0 degree, and if it is during summer season it will be 50 degree. Is it clear for you? And the next thing is that during that time the wind will blow. Heavily the wind will blow, and during that time that wind is very dry. We will be feeling very dry, and the wind is very dry. And when we go with the plant life in the desert area, when we move with the plant life in the desert area, listen carefully. The important plant that we can see in the desert is cactus. So many spines are there. When we look the picture, the cactus, that stem will be very dry. It has a coating. It has a waxy coating. Do you know wax? Yes. The stem of the cactus look like very waxy coating. It has a coating. It is very wax. And the speciality is that this stem, they store water in the stem. This cactus can live in the desert area for a very long time, because spines are there. The deserts have a coat like wax, and the water, this cactus store water in which area? In the stem area, so that they can live for a long time. And spines are also there, so that no one will create any problem for this cactus. So cactus can live very nicely in the desert area. Then next we are moving with the animal life. We know that the very important animal living in the desert is camel, and this camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert. And we are going to deal with the speciality of the camel and also the other animals living. So before going with the speciality of this camel, the other animals that can live in the desert are foxes, then scorpions, then snakes. All these things we can see in the desert area. Then in your textbook they say about the camel. Listen carefully. Camel is the most important animal found in the desert, and this camel can survive the climate. It can survive the climate. If it is severe hot also, this camel can adjust with that climate. And the next one, it has thick, wide and padded feet. When you look the picture, you can see that. And while this camel is going on, under that we can see thick pad will be there under the feet, so that if it is hot also, it is very easy for the camel to go. And the next thing is that the camel can live for a long time without water. One hump is there, is it? Can you see when we look the picture of the camel, one hump is there. It is full of fat. It is covered with full of fat, so that they can store water, the water and food also, and they can live for a long period of time in the desert area. So my dear children, this is for today's class. All of you should read all these points. So have a nice day. Thank you.